Hello, Kiv here from dataSights, and going to show you how to set up Shopify. So under connectors, find Shopify and click on add new instance. Give it a name, like here we're saying this is the dataSights Shopify store, but you can call it whatever you want. The domain of my store is this little host name here, essentially. Ignore this. This is LastPass being not so helpful. Don't worry that this is 2020 only 7 and this is only 1. This is the current version of the API. And essentially in here you want to click develop apps. So you need to be an admin of your account and click on allow custom app development and allow custom app development. And from here we're going to create an app. We're going to call this dataSights. That's fine. And exactly, so here you want to configure the admin scopes and essentially just click on all the reads. So I'm just going to pause this here. Okay, so we've clicked on all the reads. Now we can click on the API credentials. And here we want to copy in the API secret. Over here is the API key. And over here, I want to click show. This is the access token and number of months to get orders. So let's go back, say 36 months. Well, then the host name will be dataSights store. So sorry, my bad, as our validation is saying. So let's first come here and, oh, sorry, I kind of messed that up. Let's, let me pause again and click, bear with me. Okay, we've done that now. So let's click save now. Configuration saved, API credentials. Sorry, after we've set that, then we need to click, this is looking more familiar now. So let's install app. Right, reveal token once. Now this one we actually copy in over here, and this one we copy this over here and hit save. Okay, let me play around a little bit. Sorry, so I got it the wrong way around. The API key comes from here. So API key and secret goes into the API key, and the admin API access and token comes from this one-time one. So from this admin API access token, you put it in here. Now we can click save, and there we go. Happy days. Now, if you haven't already, then you can come into the sync section, add a new sync for, obviously, we have quite a few. Shopify sync daily, let's go with 3:15 a.m. Hit save. And now we can look for Shopify and trigger a sync here. And that's it. Job done. Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye.